Hello everyone, this is Priyadarshini Tiwari. Today I am here with you to discuss on the subject Code of Civil Procedure 1908. The topic for today's discussion is difference between appeal, review and revision. In this lecture, I will be dealing with the differences between appeal and reference, the difference between appeal and review, and the difference between appeal and revision. Now the difference between appeal and revision. Following are the points of distinction between appeal and reference. The first is a right of appeal is a right conferred on the suitor while the power of reference is vested in the court. It means the right to prefer an appeal is an statutory right and this right is conferred on the parties to the suit concerned. But on the other hand, the power of reference is vested in the court. Only a court dealing with the matter can prefer a petition of reference before any higher court. It is not the party who can apply for reference. The second point of difference is reference is always made to the high court while an appeal is preferred to a superior court which need not necessarily be a high court. It means appeal can be filed in any superior court. It may or may not be a high court, but a reference shall always be made before high court. The next point of distinction is the grounds of appeal are wider than the grounds of reference. A petition for appeal can be filed on the ground either on question of fact or question of law, and it is much wider than the reference. The reference can only be made on the ground that any act, ordinance, law, regulation or rule or any particular provision of particular statute is ultra vires. Now the next point of distinction is a reference is made in a pending suit, appeal or execution proceeding in order to enable the court to arrive at a correct conclusion, while an appeal is preferred after the decree is passed or an appealable order is made. It means appeal can be preferred only after the suit is finally disposed of by the court of original jurisdiction, but on the other hand, reference can only be made during the pendency of a suit when the court dealing with the suit is satisfied that the particular suit involves a question as to validity of any act, ordinance, rule or regulation, and such question is necessary to be determined for the proper disposal of the case. So it is very clear that reference can be made only during the pendency of a suit before any lower court, but appeal can be made only after the suit is finally disposed of by the court of original jurisdiction. Now the difference between appeal and review. An application for review lies to the same court when an appeal lies to a higher court. The first point of difference is that an petition for review shall always be lie to the court which has been passed the decree. It means the remedy of review can be sought in the same court and before the same judge, while on the other hand, appeal shall always be lie before any higher court. The next point of distinction is the main object of granting a review of judgment is reconsideration of the same matter by the same judge while an appeal is heard by another judge. The term review provides its meaning as reconsideration of any case. So, the petition of review shall always be filed in the same court before the same judge, but appeal, in case of appeal, it is heard by another judge who is superior in the rank. Now the grounds of review are narrower than the grounds of appeal. The grounds of appeal is very wide, but the grounds of review is very narrow. There is no concept of second review, but there is second appeal on a substantial question of law. The next and the most important point of distinction is that there is no any concept of second review. When any matter has been reviewed by the same court and the same judge, no second review shall lie in any higher court, but there is in appeal there is concept of second appeal. Any party who is considering himself aggrieved by a decision of first appellate court, he may apply to the high court for second appeal on the ground of substantial question of law, that the particular case involves a substantial question of law. Now the differences between appeal and revision. An appeal lies to a superior court, which may not necessarily be a high court, but an application for revision lies only to the high court. The first and the most important point of difference is that the petition of appeal lies to any superior court, which may or may not be a high court, but revision can only be preferred before an high court. An appeal lies only from appealable orders and decree, but an application for revision can be made only when the relief by way of appeal to the high court is not available. So appeal is available against every decree or appealable order, but the petition of revision can only be entertained if the remedy of appeal is not available in the particular suit. A right of appeal is a substantive right given by statute. There is no right of revision. It is only a privilege. The party may move the High Court to evoke its revisional jurisdiction, or the High Court may of its own motion exercise revisional jurisdiction, but the power is discretionary. This is the most important point of difference. It means a right of appeal is a purely substantive statutory right. Right of appeal is a purely substantive right, and it is provided by statute, and this right is vested in the this right is given to the parties to the suit concerned, but the right the remedy of revision is not the right of the parties, but it is only a privilege given to the parties to the suit concerned. But the power of revision is the discretionary power of the court, and by the virtue of this remedy, any party may move to the High Court to exercise its revisional jurisdiction, or High Court may on suo motu call any case for revision before it. Now the grounds of appeal and revision are different. An application in revision can lie only on the ground of jurisdiction, and the High Court, in exercise of its original jurisdiction, is not a court of appeal on a question of law or fact. In an appeal, the court has the power to decide both question of fact and law. The grounds of appeal and revision are quite different. Appeal can be preferred on the ground that particular case involves a question of fact or question of law, but revision can only be exercised on the question of jurisdictional error. In a revision petition, High Court can only correct the error occurs by jurisdictional irregularity or jurisdictional illegality, but in appeal, High Court may decide any question related to fact or law. Section 115 does not require that there should be an application in revision. The High Court can move of its own accord in exercising revisional jurisdiction. In case of appeal, there must be a memorandum of appeal filed before the same can be considered by the appellate court. So, from the above lines, it is very clear. Appeal can only be entertained when a petition for appeal, a memorandum for appeal is preferred before the court by the parties concerned, but revision can be called, any case can be called for revision by High Court on its own initiative. Thank you.